And this is some from Siway Sealant. And here, this is our silicone sealant in drum package. And we do the silicone sealant more than 35 years. And here you can check, we have the lot of the big drum IG silicone sealant. And here is our mass order to the Turkish market. And this is the 2 components structure silicone sealant. Yeah, and this is the A part. Over there, you can check the B part. And we do the very strong package here. And if we package like this, the big drum will not the ship will not damage by the shipping. So we have the many 35 years experience to shipping the big drum to overseas markets. Okay, thank you for your guys. Thank you. Bye bye.